Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes, class 9, English, beehives, that approach, chapter number 2. Its exercise, it has part 1 and part 2. So, part 1 here is Evelyn Glennie, the sound of music. The topic is the sound of music. It is a two-part, part 1 and part 2. And part 1, Evelyn Glennie, one of the musician, listens to sound without hearing it. Okay? मतलब सुन नहीं पाती थी लेकिन म्यूजिक कैसे बजाती थी, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस चैप्टर एंड वी हैव टू डिस्कस इट्स एक्सरसाइज एंड यू हैव टू लुक एट द एक्सरसाइज, यू हैव टू ओपन अ टेक्स्ट बुक एंड फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट बुक आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस एंड यू हैव टू रीड इट, open your textbook and practice it, and I hope you have to go through all the exercises to improve your standard. It's okay? Question number 1. You can open page number 20 and question number 1. How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? जब वो रॉयल एकेडमी को म्यूजिक गई तो उस टाइम उसकी उम्र कितना था? वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. Evelyn was not even 17, not even 17, okay? Not even 17, less than 17, okay? Not even 17 when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. Very simple to answer. I hope you can very easily study. Question number 2. When was her deafness first noted or noticed? When was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? When was it confirmed? Let's see. Her deafness was noticed when she was 8 years old. Yes, 8 years old. 8 years. Only 8 years old. When she was only 8 years of age, her deafness was noticed. It's okay. Then see, it was confirmed by the time she was 11. First noticed in 8 years and confirmed at the age of 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. And after 3 years, it was confirmed that she was a deaf girl. It's clear to understand? Now, then question number Roman letter 2. Answer each of these questions in a short paragraph, 30 to 40 words. Okay. So here, first number question here: who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Okay. कौन मदद किया और वो क्या की? So answer is Ron Forbes helped her to continue with music. He spotted her potential and said, "Don't listen through your ears, try to sense it some other way." He began tuning two large drums to different notes. Who? Ron Forbes. Very simple. Once again, Ron Forbes helped her to continue with music. He spotted her potential and said, "Don't listen through your ears, try to sense it some other way." He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Very simple to answer. Next number question is question number 2. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Okay, once again. Name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Yes, Evelyn performs free concert in prisons and hospitals. Yes, free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She made music her life and performed many regular concerts. Yeah, music her life and performs many musical regular concerts. It's clear to understand? Once again, Evelyn performed free concerts in prisons and hospitals. She made music her life and performed many regular concerts. It's clear to understand? Third number question. Answer the question in 2 or 3 paragraphs, 100 to 150 words. It's okay, this is only one question. How does Evelyn hear music? The long question. Evelyn अपने संगीत को, म्यूजिक को कैसे सुनती है? Okay, listen. Evelyn became deaf by the time she was 11. Okay, but she did not give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Ron Forbes, a percussionist, spotted her potential. He asked her not to listen through ears but try to sense it some other way. She realized she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She learned to open her body and mind and sounds and vibrations. She herself explained it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. When she played on the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing off the stick into her fingertips. By leaning against the drums, she could feel the resonances flowing into her body. On the wooden floor, she used to remove her shoes so that the vibrations may pass through her bare feet and off her legs. So these are all the exact answers of this lesson. Evelyn Glennie, writer Dovya Colley, and exercise I have discussed, and you have to continue studying all this of this chapter and you have to practice it. Now students, we have to come to another chapter, another part. We have to come to part 2, and here part 2's heading is the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. The Sehnai of Bismillah. Okay, this is the second part of the sound of music, and chapter part 2, the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. And from this chapter, we shall discuss the exercise, and you can open your page number 25, page number 25 onwards we shall discuss. It's okay. And first you have to think that, take the right answer given, thinking about the text from this Bismillah Khan we shall discuss. Okay, here given many two options, and we have to find the best one. It's okay. The Sehnai or Pungi was a reeded noise maker. मतलब वो नला का जो आवाज़ करते हुए जो बांसुरी टाइप का था, तो उनमें से सहनाई था या पुंगी था? आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल, पुंगी. इट वाज मेकिंग लॉट्स ऑफ नॉइज. इट्स ओके. नंबर 2, बिस्मिल्लाह खान और ए बार्बर, अली बॉक्स. बिस्मिल्लाह खान, ए बार्बर और अली बॉक्स ट्रांसपोर्ट द पुंगी इनटू सहनाई. Who transport the pungi into Sehnai? Very simple answer, barber. Do you know Sehnai? Nai means barber. Nai means Saham is राजा के जमाने में जो बार्बर था, उसने पुंगी से सहनाई में बदल लिया. Very simple answer. Question number 3. Bismillah Khan's पैटर्नल एंसेस्टर्स मीन्स पिता के जो पूर्वज हैं वेर बार्बर्स और प्रोफेशनल म्यूजिशियंस. Answer very simple. Professional musician is the right answer. It's okay. Question number 4. Bismillah Khan learned to play the Shehnai from whom? Yes, option given: Ali Baksh, Paigambar Baksh, or Ustad Fayaz Khan. Yes, answer will be Ali Baksh. Ali Baksh is the right answer of question number 4. Okay, then comes the question number 5. Bismillah Khan's first trip abroad was to dash where? USA, Afghanistan or Canada? Right answer is Afghanistan. Bismillah Khan's first trip to abroad was to Afghanistan. The student is the Roman letter 1 answer, then Roman letter 2, find the words in the text which show Ustad Bismillah Khan's feelings about the items listed below. Then mark a tick in the correct column, discuss your answer in class. Okay, so here you can see in the diagram or in this chart you can see Bismillah Khan's feelings about, then given positive, negative or neutral. Yes, here given either positive or negative. Bismillah Khan's discuss. First number, teaching children music. First number, teaching children music, that is positive. Simple. The film world, that is negative. Migrating to the USA, that is negative. He doesn't like to foreign land. Number 4, playing at temples, that is positive. बिस्मिल्लाह खान टेम्पलों में अभी शहनाई बजाने के बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Getting the भारत रत्न, that is positive. 5 number also positive. Then 6 number, the banks of the Yamuna, that was always positive. See, he likes to see the banks of Yamuna. Last one, living Banas and Dumraon, that is negative. So these are all these in this page number 25. I have discussed here, and I think you have understood these things. Yes, students, now we can open page number 26 and we shall discuss the exercises of this chapter. Page number 26, and we can discuss all this chapter. First number question is, why was Aurangzeb banned the playing of the pungi? Pungi बजा को क्यों बंद कर दिए? Answer is, Aurangzeb banned the playing of the pungi because it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. Shrill and unpleasant मतलब बहुत तीखी आवाज था, इसलिए बंद कर दिया गया. Yeah, very simple to answer. Question number 2, how is a sehnai different from a pungi? Sehnai और pungi में difference क्या है? Very important question. Sehnai is a pipe with a natural hollow that is longer, okay, and broader than a pungi. It has 7 holes on the body of the pipe. Yeah, 7 holes on the body of the pipe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 should be the sehnai and pungi थोड़ा इस तरह का. There is no difference between pungi and sehnai. Yeah. So sehnai is a pipe with a natural hollow that is longer and broader than a pungi. It has 7 holes on the body of the pipe. Okay. Number 3. Where was the sehnai played traditionally, and how did Bismillah Khan change these? Okay, answer. Sehnai was played traditionally in the temple, at the royal courts, and on the occasion of weddings. शादियों में और स्पेशल ओकेजन में सेहनाई बजता था. The credit must go to Bismillah Khan to take this instrument onto the classical stage. Yes, Sehna is very qualified to bring this instrument, Sehna, into the classical stage. That was the important part. It's clear to understand. Question number 4. And question number 4 is, when and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? या कब और कैसे बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने ब्रेक लिए, लंबा ब्रेक लिए? बिस्मिल्लाह खान गॉट हिज बिग ब्रेक विद द ओपनिंग ऑफ ऑल इंडिया रेडियो इन लखनऊ इन 1948. लंबा सा ब्रेक लिए. ओके. Question number 5. Why did Bismillah Khan play the Shehnai on 15 August 1947 and why was the event historic? Okay, there will be important line. So Bismillah Khan played the Shehnai on 15 August 1947 at the Red Fort. He was the first Indian to greet the nation with his musical instrument. This event was historic because we got independence on that day. He poured his heart out in the presence of a large number of people, including Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It's clear to understand. So once again, Bismillah Khan played the Shehnai on 15 August 1947 at the Red Fort. He was the first Indian to greet the nation with his musical instrument. This event was historic because we got independence on that day. He poured his heart in the presence of a large number of people, including Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, question number 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Shehnai school in the USA? USA में Shehnai school खोलने के लिए क्यों पसंद नहीं किए? Yes, he refused to start a Shehnai school in the USA because he never wanted to leave India. First point, he loved India so much and he did not want to settle anywhere except India. That is why whenever he was in a foreign country, he kept yearning to see Hindustan, especially River Ganga. It's okay. Question number 7. Find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. 2 incidents हमको ये दिखाना है कि बिस्मिल्लाह खान बनारस इंडिया बनारस को बहुत प्यार करते थे. Yeah, let's discuss. Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras, the sound of music. 197 from bottom of his heart. He says that he misses the Holy Ganga and India when he goes above. While in Mumbai, he thinks of only Banaras and the Holy River. And when he is in Banaras, he remembers the unique Matha of Dumram. So in this line, we know that Bismillah Khan loved India and Banaras always. Now let's come to the language part of this chapter. Let's discuss. Here thinking about language. Okay, you can see here given complete the following sentences beginning with to verb or to plus infinitive to verb to write the correct answer. Okay, so I'm telling the answer. So number 1, and we can create ourselves answer. मेरा आप अपना भी लिख सकते हो, whatever you can. The school sports team hopes to win the match. To win the match, okay? Or to win the match, etc. You can write. Your thinking and language. You page number 26. You can see and you can understand. Number 2. We all want to go to succeed in our life. Go to succeed in our life. We all want to go. What do we all want to do? Means we all want to go to succeed in our life. Very simple. Number 3, you can create yourself also. They advise the hearing impaired child's mother. Then what did they advise her to do? To consult a doctor, yeah, or to take her to a dog specialist, etc. You can write. Number 4, the authorities permitted us to dash. What did the authority permit us to do? The authority permit us to construct the building, or to play, or to go to practice, etc. Whatever you can create, that your own choice. Okay. Number 5, the musician decided to open a school for children. What did the musician decide to do? Open a school for children, or play new raga, or play a new music, etc. You can create. So next question from the text of Bismillah Khan. Find the words and phrases that match it, these definitions, and write them down. The number of the paragraphs where you will find the words, phrases has been given for you in brackets. Okay. Number 1, the home of royal palace, that we find. Number 2, thinking and right. Number 2, the home of the royal palace. The answer is the royal residence. The royal residence. And number 2, a state of being alone means solitude. You find. Number 5, solitude. Number 3, a part which is absolutely necessary. Paragraph 2, we find indispensable. 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 Indispensable component. Four number, to do something not done before, that is improvise. Improvise. Next number, without much effort. Paragraph number 13, effortlessly. And number 6, quickly and in large quantity, that is thick and fast. Thick and fast. Fast. This is all about this exercise. You don't understand? Here, third number, this thing about the language. Tick the correct right answer. Okay, you have to correct the right answer. You have to find. Number 1, when something is revived. When something is revived, the answer is lives again. Remains and that is wrong. Lives again is right. Number 2, when a government bans something, it wants it what? Started or stopped? That's why it stopped. First one is lives again. Second one is stopped. The next point, when something is considered auspicious, that is welcome it. Yes, welcome it. Question number 4, when we take to something, we find it interesting. Yeah, something interesting. Question number 5, when you appreciate something, you find it good and useful. Find it good and useful. Find it good and useful. Answer. Question number 6, when you replicate something, you do it for the second time, The last one is when we come to terms with something. Term with something means no longer upsetting. 7 number is no longer upsetting. They all take to the right answer. And 4 number is we shall discuss about the dictionary work. Do you know dictionary work? Here about these adjectives given here, you can see we have about the adjective that discuss. Now discuss about this dictionary work. You can see about the adjective we have to discuss. You can see 2 sentences. The sound of the Sena is auspicious. Auspicious is the adjective after the verb, but the auspicious sound of the Sena is usually heard at marriages. Auspicious sound before the noun, this adjective is used. So you have to know that sometimes after the verb and sometimes before the noun this adjective is used. You can see the dictionary, but sometimes it is not possible before the noun, sometimes not possible. Just example, Ustad Faizaz Khan was overjoyed. After the verb, okay, was overjoyed, noun, okay, but we cannot say the overjoyed man. Overjoyed man, Ustad, means it is something odd looking. So we have to know which are the words which are used before the, after the verb and before the noun. We shall discuss in this part. Let's discuss here. This first number point I can discuss here. This one is already given. First number, that indispensable both before and after the verb be, या verb से पहले और verb के बाद भी हो सकता है. Indispensable. You already given the textbook. Number 2, impressed both before and after the verb be. I am impressed by you. Yeah, I am impressed, or impressed I am. Okay, you can use in both before and after the verb be. Third number, afraid is used after the verb be. I am afraid. Yes, after the verb is I am afraid. So this is after the verb, but it is both impressive. This one, it is both after the verb. Next one, about outdoor. Here is used in only before noun, and here after the verb also. The outdoor is used. Paternal used both in not before, only before noun, and after or before this verb, this word paternal. Okay. Then countless is used only before noun, and last one is used after the verb be. After the verb be. This priceless. So you have to practice it. Many examples you can give, and you go through the reading textbook, you will understand. And speaking and writing section, that you have to do yourself. That is your given task for you to practice yourself, because that is you have to give your own opinion. Just like writing section, if you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. It says Evelyn Glennie, writing sections. So here you have to write 2 correct persons, By reading book you can do yourself, that is your tasks. And I hope you the chapter makes almost all have been discussed. You have to go through textbook and exercise, and any doubt you are open to ask the question to the teacher, and we are ready to answer you whenever and wherever you get time. Okay, have a good day and goodbye. Meet you once again next period. Goodbye.